Hey guys, in this question we are given a tuning fork which is used to produce resonance in a glass tube, and the length of air column in this tube can be adjusted by a variable piston. At room temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, two successive resonances are produced at 20 centimeter and 73 centimeter of column length. If the frequency of the tuning fork is 320 Hz, we need to find out the velocity of sound in air at 27 degrees Celsius. So the formula for velocity is 2 into nu, that is the frequency, and L2 minus L1, that is the difference between two column lengths. Let's put the values here. 2 into 320 into 73 minus 20, and we have multiplied it with 10 raised to the power minus 2 because these lengths are in centimeters, so we need to convert them into meter for the standard result. So on solving this equation, we get the value of V as 339.2 meters second. So if we round off this value, we get the answer as 339 meter per second. So the correct answer for the given question is option 4.